Are you buying your first home, refinancing for a better rate, consolidating debt, or expanding your real estate portfolio? As Broker Jones, my superpower is finding you the best mortgage solutions to fit your unique needs. I cut through the paperwork, eliminate confusion, and make the mortgage process simple, seamless, and stress-free. My mission is to save you time, money, and headaches so you can focus on what truly matters. And to my realtor friends out there, I'm here to be your trusted partner, ensuring that your clients get financing and close this deal quickly and smoothly. Together, we'll create a winning experience for buyers and sellers alike. Hello everyone, it's Henry here, and I'm so excited to share that I've leveled up and embraced my inner superhero. That's right, meet Broker Jones. Call me, text me, or send me a message. Let's make your mortgage goals a reality.